Hi, I'm Mike. Let's get paid with chatbots. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make money with chatbots in 2025, even if you're a complete beginner. This is one of the easiest and smartest ways to start a side hustle or full-time business using AI. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Understand what a chatbot is. A chatbot is a program that simulates human conversation, like what I'm doing right now. Businesses use them to answer customer questions, generate leads, book appointments, and even close sales. Now, thanks to AI, you don't need to know how to code to build one. Step 2. Pick a no-code chatbot platform. Start with these beginner-friendly tools. ManyChat, perfect for Facebook and Instagram bots. Landbot, great for websites and lead generation. BotPress, more advanced but very customizable. Chatbase lets you turn a PDF or website into a smart chatbot instantly. These platforms are drag and drop, so you can start building bots in minutes. Step 3. How to make money with chatbots. Here are 5 ways you can start earning. Freelance chatbot services. Offer chatbot creation on sites like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Small businesses need automation and will pay $100 to $500 plus per bot. Lead generation bots. Build bots for real estate agents, dentists, or auto dealerships that collect contact info and book appointments. Sell chatbot templates. Create ready-made chatbot templates for restaurants, salons, or online coaches, and sell them on Gumroad, PayHip, or Etsy. AI girlfriend-boyfriend chatbots. This niche is exploding. Build personality-driven chatbots people can talk to, and charge monthly access fees. Automate e-commerce customer service. Help Shopify or WooCommerce store owners by automating order status, FAQs, and returns with a chatbot. Huge demand here. Step 4. Get clients or customers. You don't need to run paid ads. Instead, try this. DM local businesses on Instagram or Facebook. Share chatbot demo videos on TikTok or Reels. Join Facebook groups and offer free trials. Cold email businesses with a 1-minute video showing what your bot can do. If they like it, they'll pay you to build more. Step 5. Set your pricing and monetization strategy. One-time fee. Charge $100 to $500 per bot. Subscription. Charge $20 to $50 per month for hosting and maintenance. Bundles. Include setup, training, and extra templates to upsell more. You can even offer AI consulting as a premium service. That positions you as an expert and lets you charge higher rates. Now here's a tip. Use ChatGPT to write your chatbot scripts. Just ask ChatGPT to write a chatbot conversation for a pizza restaurant, or generate a lead qualification script for a fitness coach. Copy, paste, and you're done. Final thoughts. Chatbots aren't just the future, they're the now. If you can learn how to build and sell just a few chatbots a week, you could turn this into a full-time income stream. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.